Join me in this video where we explore the demanding pursuits of zero defects in manufacturing. With intense pressure from management, engineers and quality teams are expected to achieve this near impossible goal. But is it really achievable or is it just a myth? We will uncover the main contributors to defects in manufacturing and discover valuable tips on how to achieve zero defects. Stay tuned. In normal situation, customers will only buy one product, and thus the product must be functioning for its intended usage and specifications. This means a product or a service supplied to end consumer only get one chance to show the product is of good quality. Therefore, all products sold to the consumer market should achieve zero defect or very low defect rate, such as Six Sigma quality, which is equivalent to 3.4 defects per million parts. Therefore, product with zero defect is the dream of every organization. The focus is always on the backend process, which is the nearest to the customers in the hope to achieve zero defects. The next big questions to a business organization is, does the organization has what it takes to achieve zero defects? And what are the obstacles to prevent zero defects? If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Let's start from the front end process of a product design, which should be the major consideration. Very often, a company tends to take shortcuts in the design process of a product to save on design costs, to have a faster time to market, and it uses substandard material. The major focus is always on time to market and the product features. Quality is always secondary, as the pain is not felt yet at the point of the time, and all the problem does not manifest from a customer's usage point. Many companies which have manufacturing that is outsourced and found in another part of the world tends to have an over-the-wall approach for their product design. They hope that the manufacturing process will compensate for all the shortcomings of a poor product design. Many organizations did not realize that zero defects must be designed into the raw material to the piece part to the assembly to the final assembly. The ironic part is that those organizations thought that manufacturing process can compensate for the poor design and the limited material supply base. It is what we call as over-the-wall approach. I design it and you build it. Another consideration which could impact quality would be the supply chain. In today's world, there's no one entity that could transform raw materials from its natural resources into a complete finished goods, which can be marketed to the end user. The transformation of the raw materials to the finished goods will take place in several manufacturing entities which form a material supply chain. Material chains will link the upstream raw materials to the downstream consumer market through multi-tier suppliers logistic transportations, the retail or the distribution center. Normally, N&M products which reaches the end user will go through a very long supply chain from Mother Nature of raw materials such as metal, silicon wafer, petrochemical byproducts to form into a piece parts and assemble into sub-assembly, then join together to become the final assembly. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today. For example, a smartphone manufacturer will assemble parts from memory cards, modules, LCDs, battery packs, some of the mechanical assembly frame, which is procured from various Tier 1 suppliers, and the Tier 1 suppliers in turn will either have a capability to fabricate those parts from semi-raw materials or they procure it from battery suppliers, such as for battery pack, they will procure battery cells from another suppliers and form into a battery assembly. Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers will generally be more established with capability to design, fabricate, and assemble semi-finished goods products. And this goes on until the nature mining of up to Tier 6. All the touch points throughout the supply chain, right from the upstream, suppliers may be from Tier 7 or Tier 6, right up to Tier 1 to the consumer, will increase the opportunity for error, which could induce defects along the way. So, any link that is weak will impact consumer and will impact the product quality. This is where supplier quality management comes in. Another pitfall which prevents zero defects would be manufacturing process set out. This is a very key consideration of planning in quality in the process input. To me, this is a very easy to solve problem, and please go through another video on proactive manufacturing to get more tips on how to prevent manufacturing defects. I have also put in the link below. Finally, let's summarize. What are the obstacles which prevent a zero defect in a product? It could be product design with poor quality planning which focus only on product features and time to market. Hope that manufacturing process could compensate for the poor quality planning, complex supply chain, and also, again, poor quality planning in process input. Don't you think an organization's top management has the accountability on all the obstacles for not achieving zero defect? This is also in line with the philosophy of all quality gurus such as Deming Crosby, Juran, where top management is actually accountable for all quality issues. Zero defects could be a reality if a good planning and superb risk identification management is in place. It could also be a myth as there's no such thing as perfection in the world. To err is human, to forgive is divine. I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.